Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the art of living a fulfilling life. Today, we're diving into the topic of forgiveness, one of the most humanizing abilities we possess. The act of forgiveness can heal relationships, soothe our hurts, and bring back the joy in our lives. Let's take a closer look at what forgiveness really means and how we can use it to our advantage. Part 1: The healing role of forgiveness. In today's fast-paced world, we encounter many situations that can lead to frustration and annoyance. Unless we can handle these events with tolerance and forgiveness, these small annoyances can accumulate over time and lead to a buildup of resentment and discouragement. This emotional baggage can significantly impact our confidence and our enjoyment of life. Part 2: Misunderstandings about forgiveness. Forgiveness is often misinterpreted as permissiveness or mindless bliss. However, the right mindset for forgiveness is understanding that life is not perfect and we will encounter unpleasant situations and people. It's important to have the strength and knowledge to handle these situations without becoming excessively upset. With common sense and moderation, we can lead a fulfilling and successful life even with the occasional annoyance. Part 3: A deeper look at forgiveness. Forgiveness is more than just sympathy and emotional first aid. The main goal of forgiveness is to heal the wounds, restore dignity, and correct misunderstandings about what happened and why we reacted the way we did. Authentic forgiveness comes from within us, from a place deeper than the urge to soothe our irritations. It arises from our innermost humanity and spirit, tapping into our creativity and vital energies to heal and promote wellness of mind and body. Part 4: The many varieties of forgiveness. Forgiveness can come in many forms. The simplest form is an expression of kindness and reassurance. However, the most powerful form of forgiveness is born from our deep humanity and spirit. By tapping into our creativity and vital energies, we can heal wounds and restore order, creating an impact that goes beyond our desires and kindness. A commitment to our deep values will summon our understanding and compassion, allowing us to transcend the doubts and tunnel vision that may have distorted our initial view of what irritated us. Part 5: Forgiveness for severe injuries. Forgiveness can be difficult when dealing with severe injuries that seem unforgivable. In these cases, the first step is not total forgiveness, but rather reducing the burden of anger and allowing normal relationships and activities to continue. By setting boundaries on our rage and letting reason and common sense take over, we can eventually work towards complete forgiveness. Part 6: The dynamic power of forgiveness. Forgiveness can effectively reduce frustration and suffering by bringing 4 primary healing qualities: reducing the burden of anger, restoring self-respect and contentment, freeing up mental and emotional space, and promoting wellness of mind and body. By mastering the art of forgiveness, we can live a life free from excessive recriminations and grievances, focusing instead on constructive events and achievements. Forgiveness is a complex art that requires more than just sympathy and emotional first aid. By tapping into our deep humanity and spirit, we can heal wounds, restore dignity, and promote wellness of mind and body. Whether dealing with small annoyances or severe injuries, forgiveness is an invaluable tool that can bring back the joy in our lives and allow us to move forward with peace and positivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the art of living a fulfilling life. Step into a world of self-discovery and spiritual enlightenment as you enter our channel, Soulful Explorations. Here we embark on a journey towards personal growth, finding peace and purpose in life. Get ready to awaken your mind and uplift your spirit as we delve into the mysteries of mindfulness, manifestation, and everything that encompasses the journey of self-improvement. So, put on your spiritual hat and join us on a journey of inspiration, empowerment, and growth. Subscribe now and let's make this journey together.